Hello, habari. Karibuni tena kwenye mwendelezo wa vipindi vyetu. Leo nataka nikuonyeshe kitu kimoja ambacho hutajutia kuangalia video hii. Nafikiri unajua ni vigumu kiasi gani kumwonyeshea mwanafunzi ubaoni sifa za picha inayofomika kwenye convex lens. Kwenye convex mirror. Sasa leo nataka nikuonyeshe jinsi ilivyo rahisi. Wanafunzi watakuelewa kwa wepesi na watakumbuka kila ambacho umewaelekeza. Twende ubaoni tuone. Mbele yako unayoona hapa ni convex mirror kama unavyoona hapa. Sasa nataka tujue kwamba je, sifa za image inayofomika hapa zinabadilikaje kulingana na position ya object. Naamini umeshaangalia video iliyopita ya jinsi sifa za picha inayofomika kwenye concave mirror inavyobadilika depending na position ya image ya object. Je, na convex mirror pia ina behave hivyo hivyo? Mimi sijui, labda wewe unajua. Twende ubaoni tuone ni nini kinachotokea. Sasa hii ni convex mirror. Object yetu hii hapa. Tuangalie sasa kwamba ikiwa tuna change position ya object, je, hizi characteristics za image inayofomika zinabadilikaje? Twende tuone. Haya, tuanzie object ikiwa huku mbali huku, tuseme labda object ikiwa at infinity. Angalia mahala ambapo image inafomika. Object ikiwa mbali, sasa mbali ni infinity na hapa ubao wetu huu uko limited. Kwa hiyo tuanzie somewhere hapa. Unaona image ilipofomika, image ni ndogo ukilinganisha na object, lakini hii image ni visual kama unavyoona kwa sababu inafomika on the other side of the mirror, lakini pia iko upright, imesimama. Haya, tuanze kumuvisha sasa kuikaribia mirror yetu. Haya, kadri unavyoisogelea mirror unaona sifa characteristics hazibadiliki, ziko vile vile. Always image iko upright, ni visual na iko diminished. Unaona? Yaani characteristics ziko vile vile. Position ya object inavyobadilika bado hizi characteristics ziko vile vile. Image iko upright, lakini image hiyo pia ni visual na iko diminished, tofauti na kule kwenye concave mirror. Kwa hiyo hapa tunatoka na generalization kwamba the image formed on a convex mirror is always upright, au wengine wanasemaga erected, lakini pia is always visual and is always diminished. Kwa hiyo unaona, ukimwelekeza mtoto kwa kutumia hii interactive panel atakuelewa kiurahisi na atakuwa na kumbukumbu kwa sababu anaona ni nini kinachoendelea. Baada ya kuona kuhusu image formation kwenye concave na convex mirror, nataka sasa tuone application ya hizi mirror katika maisha yetu ya kila siku. Kwenye hii interactive panel yetu kuna interactive video ambayo inakuruhusu wewe kujibu maswali wakati unaangalia video, then video inaendelea, ili kukupima uelewa wako wa kipindi kilichopita. Kwa hiyo sasa tuangalie hii interactive video, tajibu maswali kwa pamoja, mambo yaende vizuri. Haya, tuangalie.
Hi, you're watching an interactive video. For the best experience, please watch the video in full screen mode by hitting the full screen button on the bottom right. If this is your first time, click here to learn more about how to use the interactive video. If you already know it, you can click here to skip the introduction. Hi friends, do you know that mirrors are of different types? Plane mirror and curved or spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors can be further divided into concave mirror and convex mirror. So there are three types of mirrors: plane, concave, and convex. In fact, I have all these three mirrors on this wall here for you. I'm going to go and stand in front of each of these mirrors and let's see what do we observe. If I stand in front of the first mirror, I appear to be the same height.
Haya, hii ni plane mirror. Sasa hii unajifunza kule form 1 kule. Hii sifa za picha ambayo inafomikaga hapa kwenye plane mirror waga ina size sawa na object ilivyo. Ndio maana unaona size ya huyu bwana na hii picha iliyofomika ziko sawa. Haya, tuendelee.
If I stand in front of the second mirror, oops, I appear to be inverted. Now if I move close to the mirror, I appear to be magnified.
Unaona hii mila ya pili ni curved mirror na lazima itakuwa ni concave mirror kwa sababu alivyokuwa somewhere mbali alikuwa picha yake ilikuwa iko inverted, lakini alivyoikaribia ile mirror ikawa upright, lakini pia ni magnified. So this is a concave mirror. Amesogea mbali, picha imekuwa inverted.
Now if I stand in front of the third mirror, I appear to be shorter. Can you guess the type of mirror for each of these?
Kwenye ile na hii mirror ya tatu, alivyosimama mbele ya ile mirror alionekana ni mfupi, na no matter alivyoikaribia au alivyo move away from, bado picha ilikuwa ni fupi. Hiyo ni picha ya nini? Ni picha au characteristic ya mirror gani? Convex. Kwa hiyo hapa ametuuliza swali, je, hizi mirror tatu ni aina gani? Kwa hiyo ya kwanza itakuwa ni plane mirror, ya pili ni concave mirror na ya tatu ni convex mirror. Tutachagua jibu lililo sahihi hapa ili tuweze kuendelea na video. Tukipatia inatuambia tumepatia, na tukikosea inatuambia hapana, umekosea. Jibu lake ni hili. Hapa jibu sahihi ni namba 1. Kwa hiyo tukikliki hapa video inaturuhusu kuendelea kuangalia mbele zaidi.
That's right. The first mirror is a plane mirror. The second mirror is a concave mirror. And the third mirror is a convex mirror. Let's talk about the three mirrors. A plane mirror has a plane or flat surface. And I'm sure you must have noticed that when you stand in front of a plane mirror, you appear to be the same height. Now let's look at concave and convex mirrors. These mirrors are curved mirrors. And a very simple way to understand them is using a spoon. So I'd like you to pause the video right here and go and get a spoon. And it will be great if you can get a large and shiny spoon. So are you ready with your spoon? A concave mirror is curved inwards. So if you look at this side of the spoon, can you see it is curved inwards just like a concave mirror? Now hold the spoon like this and look at yourself in the spoon. What do you observe? You appear to be inverted and smaller in size or diminished. Now if you bring the spoon really close to yourself, you can see that you are looking magnified. But the easier way to do this is to hold an object like a pencil and get it really close to the mirror. Now you can clearly see the magnification. So a concave mirror is the only mirror that can produce an inverted image in this position a magnified image. A convex mirror is the opposite of a concave mirror. So if we flip the spoon, here we have a convex mirror. Now if you look at yourself on the convex side of the spoon, what do you notice? You appear to be smaller, but your image is now straight or upright. And no matter where you move the spoon, the image in a convex mirror is always diminished and upright. So this was our quick recap on the three mirrors. More details on spherical mirrors coming up later in the video. But first let me ask you, which types of mirrors are you using in your daily lives? I am using all three types of mirrors every day. If you don't believe me, I'll be showing you some clippings from my daily life. And you need to be a detective and identify the type of mirror. Is it a plane mirror, concave mirror, or a convex mirror? Are you ready? Let's start. In the morning, when I shave, which type of mirror am I using?
Haya, swali hilo tumepewa. Anapokuwa na shevu asubuhi hapa, anatumia mira aina gani? Sasa angalia picha iliyofomika hapo, ni kubwa, I mean ni iko magnified. Kwa hapa obvious jibu litakuwa ni plain, lakini pia ukiangalia hata tu mira yenyewe tu ilivyo ni plain, haiko curved. Kwa hapa jibu litakuwa ni plain. Haya, tuchague hili jibu ili tuendelee na video. Tukipatia anatuambia tumepatia, na tukikosa anatuambia pia tumekosea.
No, the
Tumekosa.
shaving mirror is a concave mirror. The face in the mirror is magnified. If I flip this mirror, there's a plain mirror behind this. Can you see the difference in magnification between the plain mirror and the concave mirror? When I comb my hair, which type of mirror am I using?
Ni aina gani ya mira hii? Ni plain mirror. Chague.
That's right. This mirror has a flat surface. It's a plain mirror. When I leave the house and go down in the elevator, which mirror does the elevator have?
Hii pia ni plain mirror.
It's a plain mirror. To save time, I can actually comb my hair on the way down. While driving the car, I use the two mirrors, the rear view mirror and the side mirror. Which types of mirrors are these two mirrors?
Ni aina gani ya mira? Hizi ni convex.
That's right. The rear view mirror and the side mirror are examples of convex mirrors because they give a greater field of view. There are mirrors kept at road intersections so that you can see the vehicles coming from the other side. Which type of mirror are these?
Ni aina gani hii jamani? Hii ni convex.
That's right, convex mirrors. So as you can see, I'm using all three types of mirrors every day. Plain, concave and convex mirrors. Concave and convex mirrors are together called spherical mirrors. Now do you know why they're called spherical mirrors? If I take this ball, it has the shape of a sphere. Now let's imagine the surface of this ball to be shiny like a mirror. I wish I had a silver colored ball, then it would actually look like a mirror. Now if I take this knife and I cut the ball here, this slice is a curved mirror. It's called a spherical mirror since it's come from a sphere. If the inside portion is polished, it's called a concave mirror. If you polish the outside portion, it's called a convex mirror. And an easy way to remember the concave mirror is it's as if you're entering a cave. It's a hollow portion. So this side is a concave mirror, and the opposite side, which is bulging, is a convex mirror. The concave mirror can be represented by this simple diagram, where the smooth side is the shiny reflecting surface. The side with these small dashed lines is the back of the mirror. Similarly, for the convex mirror, the smooth side is the shiny reflecting surface, and this side is the back of the mirror. Now, an interesting question is why these mirrors behave differently. To understand, let's imagine we are throwing a parallel beam of light on all the three mirrors. Let's start with the plane mirror. So if we throw the parallel beam of light, can you see that the light rays remain parallel even after reflection? Next, let's try the concave mirror. Now if we throw the parallel beam of light, can you see that the concave mirror converges the light rays to a point? The concave mirror is a converging mirror. And now let's look at the convex mirror. So if you throw the parallel beam again, can you see that the convex mirror is diverging the light rays? So the convex mirror has a diverging action. It's a diverging mirror. Here is a comparison table of a plane, concave and convex mirror. Now you must be thinking, why curved mirrors converge and diverge light rays, but a plane mirror does not? Is it because these laws of reflection hold only for a plane mirror and not for curved or spherical mirrors? What do you think? The answer is the laws of reflection always hold for both plane and curved mirrors. Let's take a closer look. So if you draw the normals at each of the points of incidence for the light rays, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. But the concave and convex mirror have a converging and diverging action because of their curved shape. It's due to their curvature that the light rays reflect in this manner. There are some important terms for spherical mirrors. For example, pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis, and so on. Let's understand these terms with the help of a simple diagram. Let's start with the concave mirror. The center of curvature is the center of the hollow sphere of which the mirror is a part. The center of curvature is represented by C. The center of the surface of the concave mirror is called the pole, represented by P here. Radius of curvature R is the radius of the sphere. The straight line passing through the center of curvature and the pole is called the principal axis. The portion of the mirror where the reflection of light takes place is called the aperture of the mirror, represented by M dash here. Remember, the concave mirror is a converging mirror. If a beam of light that is parallel to the principal axis is incident on the concave mirror, after reflection, the rays meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called the focus, represented by F. The focus is exactly in the center of P and C. The focal length F is the distance between the pole and the focus. So focal length equals radius of curvature by 2. Now let's take a look at the convex mirror. Center of curvature is the center of the hollow sphere of which the mirror is a part, represented by C here. Note that the center of curvature of a convex mirror lies behind the mirror. The center of the surface of a convex mirror is called the pole, represented by P here. Radius of curvature R is the radius of this sphere. The straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole is called the principal axis. The portion of the mirror where the reflection of light takes place is called the aperture, represented by M dash here. Remember, the convex mirror is a diverging mirror. If a beam of light that is parallel to the principal axis is incident on the convex mirror, After reflection, the rays appear to diverge from a point on the principal axis. This point is called the focus, represented by F. The convex mirror has a virtual focus, since the focus lies behind the mirror. The focus is exactly in the center of P and C. The focal length F is the distance between the pole and the focus. So focal length equals radius of curvature by 2. Let's place the label diagram of a concave and convex mirror on our concept board. I hope the concept of spherical mirrors is super clear to you now. Remember, our spoon is both a concave and a convex mirror. I would also encourage you to look for the different types of mirrors in your daily lives. For example, do you know the torch has a mirror inside it? Which type of mirror is that? And what about the mirror in your dentist's office? Or the mirror on the streets and in the street lights? Do let me know what you find by putting it in the comments below. To revise the concepts,
baada ya kuangalia hii interactive video, kuna quiz hapa ya maswali 6 kuhusu hii video tuliyoiona. Haya, swali la kwanza ametuuliza which mirror can give an inverted image. Hapa kuna haya machaguo amekwambia, kuna plane mirror, kuna concave mirror, kuna convex mirror, alafu kuna all of this. Sasa tuchague jibu ambalo ni sahihi. Hii obvious itakuwa ni concave mirror kama tulivyoona kwenye ile video. Kwa hiyo tutachagua concave mirror na tutasubmit ili kuangalia kama tumepata au la. Tunaambiwa that's the right answer. Only a concave mirror can give an inverted image. Twende swali linalofuata. Swali linalofuata, swali la pili, anauliza kwamba which type of mirror diverges the right? Hiyo ni convex mirror. Takusanya, that's the right answer. Convex mirror is a diverging mirror. Naenda swali jingine, ametuuliza kwamba for a convex mirror, the focus lies on the surface of the mirror, at the center of the mirror, in front of the mirror, behind of the mirror. Jibu ni nini? Jibu ni behind the mirror. Tutasubmit, tumekosa. Na anatuambia kwamba that's incorrect. Correct answer is in green. Kwa jibu ni behind. Tunaenda swali jingine. Ameuliza which type of mirror is used in headlights of a car? Which type of mirror is used in headlights of a car? Kuna zile taa za mbele za magari, ni aina gani ya mirror inatumika? For me, I think jibu ni hili hapa. Ngoja tukusanye tuone. Tumekosa. Jibu ni, anasema bulb is kept at the focus of the concave mirror to get a parallel beam of light. Tuangalie swali la mwisho, swali la 5 hili, maswali yako 6. Anasema which type of mirror is used as a shop security mirror? Ni convex mirror. Tutakusanya hilo tumepata. Swali la mwisho ameuliza which type of mirror is used by dentists to examine the teeth? Sema ukweli hizo jamani, mimi sijui. Ngoja tu tuweke Concave, submit tuone tunapata au tunakosa. Tumepatia. Kwa hiyo unaona jinsi sasa ilivyo rahisi kuwafundisha watoto kwa kutumia hii interactive panel, kwa sababu umeona ile interactive video inakupeleka step by step, inakuuliza maswali, unajibu, unaendelea. Lakini baada ya hapo kuna maswali haya unajibu, inakwambia umepatia au umekosea. Haya, hapa kuna notes ambazo wamekuandalia hapo. Tunaweza kuona ile video, kuna notes zake hapa. Kwa unaona hizi notes zake. Hii ni plane mirror, nakwambia same height, object na image zina same height. Hii ni concave mirror, hapa image iko inverted. Kuna concave mirror bado hapa anakuonyesha object, image iko magnified. Hii ni convex mirror, hapa anakuonyesha moja moja kwamba hii ni plane, hii ni concave. Hapa anakuonyesha concave mirror is curved inwards. Hii ni concave mirror, concave mirror the only mirror ambayo inaweza kutengeneza elevated image. Concave mirror ni mirror pekee ambayo inaweza ku magnify object. Convex mirror. Kwa hiyo napendelea sasa hizi ndio notes ambazo zimetokana na ile video tulioangalia. Image in a convex mirror is always diminished and upright. Tuliona hicho wakati tunaangalia position, size, nature ya image inayotumika kwenye convex mirror. Hapa anakuambia hizi mirror zina matumizi katika maisha yetu ya kila siku. Taanza na hii shaving mirror, taona ni concave mirror. Taona hii ni kumbi mirror, ni plane mirror, tuliona kwenye video kama ni plane mirror. Hii pia tuliona ni plane mirror. Hichi kioo kinachowekwa mbele ya gari tuliona kuwa ni convex mirror, pamoja na hii side mirror. Hizi zote ni convex mirror. Hizi zote ni convex mirror kama tulivyoona kwenye video. Hii pia ni convex mirror, inatumika kwenye makutano ya barabara. Kwa hiyo unapoendelea sasa, hizi ni notes ambazo zimetokana na ile video. Sasa nafikiri umeona ndivyo rahisi kuwafundisha wanafunzi kwa kutumia hii interactive whiteboard, sababu ina software nyingi ambazo zina cover kila sehemu na zinarahisisha ufundishaji. Basi asanteni kwa kunisikiliza. Wakati mwingine.